Hello, my name is Oksana Holtman and welcome to Microfinance podcast. The topic of our discussion today is the lending cycle. For many newcomers to microfinance, the home visit is probably the most unconventional part of the loan appraisal in microfinance institutions. What does a credit officer look at when he or she visits the client's home? What kind of questions does he ask? Which family members does he want to meet? Which references does he need? And how does he process this information? Please join our camera on an example of a home visit.
So now, we just want to confirm a few things.
Okay.
But before we start,
Yes.
I would wish to see your maybe your husband. You can call your husband.
Yeah, he's in it. I can call him.
So that he
Okay.
comes. If she had told you, we usually come so that we write the household items as part of the security, and we also visited the business and we took the business assets. So now I wanted you to just be informed that we'll take the households as part of the security. Yeah.
What does the household include? Does it include even my cows? And I have a old cow which is outside there. Does it include?
Yeah,
Because you are giving us a little money.
Okay, what we'll do, we'll take the household items like the chairs and the tables and the cupboards, then your cows and your goats and also your vehicle. We'll write everything so that you know that we have everything so that you'll be able to pay.
But we normally pay. Me, I would think the household themselves are enough. The seats, coffee tables, and the TVs will be enough.
Okay, you see,
What do you think?
I'll have to take everything. I'll write everything because you see, this is not the only loan you'll come for. Maybe next time you want to come for a bigger loan, and instead of me having to keep on writing, it's best I just write everything, and next time when I come, I'll just add whatever you have added. Yeah, okay. So that I just take everything. Yeah. So if you allow me, I would want to write the seats.
Fine.
Okay.
You want the receipts or you want to see
Yes.
them physically?
I would also want to see the receipts.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we talked about the documents that I'm supposed to go with.
Yes.
I don't know if you have the electricity bill.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
You need to have one.
Yes, I need a copy.
Okay.
And
fine.
a copy of a few receipts for the households.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is electricity bill.
Thank you.
This is a copy of so many receipts.
Okay.
Yeah, they are combined together there.
All right.
Yeah. The TV was worth it 25.
25,000.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much was the cabinet?
The cabinet, do you remember?
It was 17,000.
17,000.
All right. How about the seats?
The seat,
Yeah.
this one was worth 18,000
Okay.
and that one was 22. Am I right?
Yeah, this one was more expensive.
Yeah.
I'm grateful for
Okay.
allowing us for allowing me to visit the house.
Okay.
At least I have what I wanted. And now perhaps we'll have your husband sign
Okay.
on the application.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now, okay, in case we need you at the branch, we shall call you. Yeah, so because we'll need to go and first of all discuss your application, and I'll give them all the facts that I have. Then we see if we'll advance you. I don't think there's any problem, and I'll communicate to you.
All right. Thank you.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you. We appreciate your coming.
Am I talking to Mr. Paul, please?
Yes, you're talking to Mr. Paul.
Okay, this is Patricia. I'm from Equity Bank, Wekomba. I was referred to you by a client of mine who is applying for a facility with us. Maybe would you spare some time and I talk to you?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, do you know a person by the name Ann Joki?
Yeah, I do know her.
What kind of business has she been doing?
Okay, selling food distributing food to customers.
I also understand that you have her kids school together with your kids in school.
Yeah, they go together.
So what can you tell me, maybe as I am making a decision, I'm about to make a very serious decision, what would be your advice to me? Ama, what can you say in a conclusion?
Let me guarantee you that if she needs something from your institution, she's a kind of person that I do trust.
Okay, so we can go ahead and move on with the decision, and in case of any future reference, we can still contact you.
You can just call me.
Okay, I'm very glad to talk to you, Mr. Paul. Thank you very much.
During the next step in the loan cycle, the loan officer processes the information in the office, analyzes the cash flows, and calculates a proposed loan amount.
In our next episode, we will take a short break from the lending cycle and will take an exciting detour. We will have a spectacular guest speaker for you. He will share with us his model of the credit analysis. It will be a practical, hands-on advice from someone who spent decades in the field. So stay tuned.